Yo, what's up guys, it's Aptrix here. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to spoof your Pokemon Go in 2026 without using any PC in just few simple steps. For today's video, we'll be using the i2lab AnyGo for iOS devices, the best location changer for iPhone which does not require PC and it has all the features required for spoofing your location-based apps and games like Pokemon Go, including joystick controls, Pokemon Go toolbox, no jailbreak required, and even works on the latest iOS 26. To get started, you'll need to open it from the official link given in description box below and add the i2lab AnyGo on your iPhone. So follow these steps. i2lab are the sponsor of our today's video, but I'll be giving you guys my honest opinions about this tool. So first of all, make sure that AnyGo has been added from the official i2lab page. Once that has been done, you'll need to follow these steps. So let's open settings. After, simply scroll down, go to general. After, scroll down, go to VPN and device management. Here make sure to choose the i2lab AnyGo profile and make sure to tap on allow and restart. Now simply swipe up. Afterwards you'll need to enter your passcode to add this profile. Once that's done, it will say profile has been successfully added and right here is our AnyGo standard version. Now all you have to do is open this Pokemon Go location spoofing tool. After that you can try out its free trial or else you can tap on activate license. Here you'll need to enter your email as well as registration code. Once you have successfully activated your product, it will say registration successful. Now you just need to search any location in the world and teleport to that destination. It will tell you to add iSpot from the App Store. This is so that you don't face any error 12 issues while spoofing your location in Pokemon Go. So simply tap on the open button. Now go back to AnyGo, tap on teleport, tap on open. You'll need to configure VPN, so simply tap on the allow button. Now guys, you'll need to complete this one-time setup which requires a PC. This is only for the first time. It is done so that we can add AnyGo components on our iOS device. You can tap on check guide and complete this process. It hardly takes 2 minutes. So once you have completed it, simply tap on teleport once again and wait until the execution is completed. Once that has been done, simply tap on the OK button and now you will need to launch Pokemon Go. Now the Pokemon Go version which I am using right here is a Pokemon Go from iWear Genius. You will need the iWear Genius version of Pokemon Go if you don't want to face any error 12 issues while spoofing your Pokemon Go completely wirelessly with the help of i2lab AnyGo. So here we go guys, our teleportation is successful and just take a look at this. We have successfully teleported to New York City. Now if we go back and open the AnyGo standard version, we can simply tap anywhere, tap on teleport. It says change location successful. If we go back in Pokemon Go, you guys can see that our location is changed in real time and all the Pokemons are also spawning around us. We are seeing no error messages, which means this 100% works. And the great part about it is that you don't need any PC to spoof your location in Pokemon Go. AnyGo for iOS is the best alternative if you don't want to use your PC and spoof Pokemon Go at any time from anywhere in the world. You also get other options such as joystick controls. So I'll here simply start the joystick mode. At the top you will be able to choose the speed at which your character should walk. Once you have selected the speed, simply tap on this play button and if we go back to Pokemon Go, you guys will be able to notice that our character is auto walking. So if you want to control the direction of your walking, you can simply use the joystick provided in AnyGo to change the direction and you can go back in Pokemon Go and now you guys can see our character is walking at a different direction. So these are some of the basic features of AnyGo like joystick mode and teleport mode. You also get other options like 2-point mode where you can pinpoint any location in the map and walk to that destination after selecting the speed of travel. You'll also see an ETA as well as the distance remaining, and if we go back to Pokemon Go, you will see that your character is auto walking. You can also end this and create multi-point mode where you can create your own route. Once you select the speed and tap on the start button, your character will walk on the route that you created in Pokemon Go. So these are all the basic features, but the main features that I want to show you guys are the Pokemon scanner features. So here in the Pokemon Go toolbox option, you will be able to use Pokemon scanner features as well as raid battle, dynamics battle scanner, Pokemon Go stop as well as gym scanner as well. All of it from an app that is on your mobile. Previously to access all of this feature, you needed PC Pokemon Go spoofers, but no longer is that required. With the help of AnyGo, you can literally use the Pokemon Go scanner features that are built in this app to directly teleport to the Pokemon of your choice. So here it said teleportation successful, and as you guys can see, we have literally spawned on top of Tepig. You can use this search feature to search for any Pokemon that you'd like to catch, for example Pikachu, and you can also sort and filter the stats of the Pokemon, for example gender, distance, spawn time, IV, level, as well as weather. So that is pretty cool. And if we go back, you will see all the Pikachus that are around me. So here I'll simply press the go button and tap on teleport. If I go back to Pokemon Go, you'll need to wait for a few seconds until the Pokemon spawns because we teleported to a different location. Meanwhile, I'll go back to AnyGo and I'll also show you guys other features, for example the scanner feature. If I simply tap on the Pokemon icon, it will start scanning all the Pokemons that are around me. As you guys can see, these are hundreds of Pokemons that I can simply select and teleport to or directly walk to using 2-point or multi-point movement. So if I go back in Pokemon Go, you guys can see our Pikachu has successfully spawned in and we are literally standing on top of it. So if you want to disable the scanner feature, simply tap on it once more. Similarly, you can also find dynamics battles around you, raid battles around you if you go to the raid section, and this is fully functional guys. It works 100%. So here we have teleported, and yeah, just take a look at this. We have teleported to a raid battle. Not just that guys, AnyGo has more features. Yep. If you just go ahead and tap on this Pokeball button, you'll see the AnyGo game assistant features. You can enable show IV, it will successfully show the IV of the Pokemon. You can also enable features like enhanced throw as well as quick catch, which means catching Pokemon becomes easier than ever. You also have the auto raid option for auto raid battles, auto dynamics battle, as well as fast raid battles. So make sure to enable this option. Now these options only work on Pokemon Go that you have added using Go Genius. You can also skip animations, auto hatch eggs, and yeah, the options are countless. So now that I have enabled all of these options, let's go to a Pokemon and see if our features which we enabled are working. So here I'll teleport to this Pikachu once again. As I mentioned before, if you teleport to long distances, you will have to wait for a few seconds until your Pokemon spawns near you. It generally spawns within second, and here I'll simply press on Pikachu. So let's just go ahead and throw the Pokeball anyhow, and you guys can see we have successfully caught Pikachu in just single try. So that is pretty cool. So these are all the main features of AnyGo which you can use with the help of AnyGo iOS app. You also get other options like historical records, where you will be able to favorite your route if you want to travel to that location multiple times. You even get the search feature where you can enter the coordinates or the location of the place that you'd like to teleport to. You can even teleport to different countries at times. So here I have teleported to Dubai or the UAE, and in just a single click you guys can see the same has been reflected in Pokemon Go. So what are you guys waiting for? Check out i2lab AnyGo for iOS right away from the official link given in description box below. Trust me, this will completely change the way you experience Pokemon Go spoofers all within the comfort of your home. That's going to be it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.